Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Linode VPS for Node.js API deployment, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Linode website and create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your Linode account after registration. Once logged in, navigate to the Linode section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Linode button to start setting up your virtual private server. Select the desired data center location from the list provided. Choose an operating system for your Linode. A popular choice is Ubuntu. Select the plan that best fits your needs based on the resources required for your Node.js API. Click on the Create Linode button to provision your VPS. Once the Linode is created, it will take a few moments for it to become active. After activation, note the public IP address assigned to your Linode. Next, access your Linode via SSH using a terminal or command prompt. Use the command SSH root at your Linode IP to connect to your server. Enter your password when prompted to establish the connection. After logging in, start by updating the package lists with apt update. Next, upgrade the installed packages using apt upgrade y. Install Node.js using the command curl sl https://deb.nodesource.com/setup_16.x-. Then, install Node.js with apt install ynodages. Verify the installation by checking the version with Node v. Now, install npm, which comes with Node.js, to manage packages. Create a new directory for your Node.js API using dir myapi and navigate into it. Change to the project directory with cd myapi. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. This will create a package.json file in your project directory. Now, install your preferred web framework, such as Express, using npm install express. Create a new file named app.js using your preferred text editor. In app.js, set up a simple Express server. Start with importing Express and initializing the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.